Hello, guys. Welcome to our live trading evening session. So, as usual, this is the session where I'll be, showing you guys how you can actually analyze the market, and then providing details about the analysis. You understand? All right. So let's do this. Let's do this. Um. So our afternoon trade, I told you closed close some profit when you start seeing profit. Okay. So I closed mine um with few profit. Okay. Though the market is still running, but I closed mine with few profit. So I hope you did the same too. All right. So let's make fresh analysis and see, if we can get an entry. Okay. Okay. So let's start with this. Okay. Let's start with AUD CAD. Uh, all right. So let me just delete all of this, so that I can make a better explanation. All right. So first of all, you know, I love taking my analysis from the higher time frame, which is most especially the 4 hour time frame. Okay. So I'm going to be using everything that we've been learning for this analysis. Okay. So this strategy is called price action strategy. Okay. So price action, is the movement um, or the action the market has made in the past. Okay, so we use the previous action to judge what is going to happen in the future. You understand? So that is price action. All right, and price action comprises of support, resistance, and trend lines. All right. So what I want to do here right now to make my analysis, first of all, obviously you want to look at the chart and see what is really happening here. Okay. So every part of this is very important. Right? Every part of this is important. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get a view of what is actually going on, right? And as you can see, we have this low, we have this high, we have this low, and then the market is, trying to create another high now. But before this low was created, look at how the market went. You see, creating an internal structure. We call this internal structure. Okay, so these are the real structures. This is a low. This is a high. This is a lower low. This is a lower high. Now these are just internal structures. Okay, so you can actually trade using the internal structure also. So the reason why they are called the internal structure is because they happen inside the trade. Okay, they are not the real move of the trade. So these are just like deceiving moves. Okay, we call it the deceiving moves. So when this start happening, maybe they don't want you to look at this low again. Okay, because some people when they see the market, maybe this was trading up. The very moment they see this, they start believing that the market is going to go up. Okay, not realizing that the market is still on downtrend because of the internal structure that they just saw, right? But the overall trend here is still a downtrend until this high is taken out. This is the high and this is the low. Okay, this is the previous high. You see this high here, low, high, lower low, high high, higher low, and then lower low. Okay, so until this high is taken out, the market is still in downtrend. All right. So this is the highest high. Okay, these are internal structures. These are not our higher and low. Okay, so but we can still use this internal structure to our advantage. Okay, so I have so many points here. I have this one, I have two, I have three. Okay, so let me see if this aligns with what is currently happening in the market. Okay, so it aligns with two market trend. Okay, two market rejections. So it aligns with this, and then it broke out. Okay, it broke out. So now the next thing I want to do here is um, on these internal structures, we have a lot of liquidity. Okay, so there's a support, there's a resistance here, a resistance, a resistance, a resistance, a resistance. Okay, also followed by support, 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 and support. Yeah. So now, since we already know that this market is, it's a downtrend market, what we want to do, and it didn't align well with our trend line. Okay, so this is what I was talking about yesterday, that you need to know the tools that aligns with your market movement. Okay, so it is when you know which aligns, you'll be able to actually get the one that you should use and then get the proper entry for the trade. So right now the trend line doesn't align because it's not aligning with what is currently happening in the market. So if you ask me, the one that aligns right now is our resistance. We have a resistance here, we have a resistance here, we have resistance here, and the market is currently here. So we have a resistance here. Okay, let's forget about this. We can, okay, let's use this. Let's use those. Wow. Okay, you see how it aligns. Let me just draw it to this level. So you see it aligns well with what has been happening. It aligns with this one, two, three, and the fourth touch. Okay, and guys, I want you to remember something. I want you guys to keep something in mind. Um, when you see the market touching a resistance or touching a support several times, most especially when it's made up to three touches, the fourth one usually breaks it. Right? The fourth one usually, I'm not saying all the time, okay? Most of the time, the fourth one would break it. So the fourth one is creating right now. So if you don't get a proper rejection, I'm not going to advise you to place the trade. Okay. So this is the 4 hour time frame. Now let's go to our lower time frame. Let's go to the 4 hour, 1 hour time frame and see what is currently happening with our trend line. With our support rather. Sorry. Okay, so you see how all the market aligns well with it. Yeah. So now we already have a zone where we are expecting the market to go down from. The next thing you want to do now is you want to wait for this market to reject. Okay, we also have this point, we have this point, and then we have this point. So when I was just starting out, and it wasn't easy for me to actually get my rejection candles and all of that. What I mostly do is I want to see if I can draw something like this, my trend line, to touch the recent market. So now that I have this, I have one touch, I have two touch. All I'll be waiting for right now is I want this market to come down below this trend line. So after I see a close of candle below this trend line, I want to see something like this. I want to see something like this. So if it breaks out like this, I'm going to sell. Guys, I'm not going to wait for anything. Okay, I'm just going to place my sell from here and then target this low. Okay, target this low this way. That is my sell, and then my stop loss is going to be here. My stop loss will be above this box. Okay, so whatever happens, my stop loss is here, my take profit is here. So look at how long the take profit is and see how small the stop loss is. Guys, this is how to take trade. All right, this is how to take a trade. So this market has actually made this all of this move before, and it actually aligned with this earlier. Okay, this, yes, it aligns well with that. So let's see, maybe before the end of our session, let's see what is going to happen if we can actually take a trade from here. Okay, so right now I'm not using my SMC strategy, I'm using the normal price action, the basic price action most traders use. Okay, the common way of analyzing the market: drawing, support, resistance, and then trend line. Right. So I'm waiting. I'm anticipating a sell trade on AUD CAD. Okay, and the reason is because the market is currently sitting on our trend line. Okay, sorry, on our resistance zone. This is a resistance zone. Okay, so we have so many touches already. I want this market to make a rejection. Maybe it's going to touch this and then make a rejection to the downside. Then we are going to sell. Okay, so even though you don't have real money, you can place the trade on your demo. All right, so we are going to sell it together once we get the confirmation. All right, so guys, let's go. All right, let's go. So let's make another analysis. Let's do for AUDCHF. Let's delete everything that is there and then make a fresh analysis. So this is the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour time frame. So if I can't see what is going on well on the 4 hour, sometimes I go to the 5 hour to the daily time frame to get a better view. So this is the daily time frame, and from the daily time frame, the market is telling me that it's a downtrend, that the market will continue to go down. Okay. So what I want to do here is I can actually draw. I have this one touch. I have this second one, and then this is third one that just started creating. So I want to draw my trend line from here to the current one. All right. Oh wow, and it aligned well. So it aligned well with our sell. If you ask me, I think this market is going to go down even more, right? So we can delete this since we have a trend line touching it. We can actually delete that. So let's go to our 1 hour time frame and see if we can get a sell market. Why are we selling, guys? Because we know the market is on sell, it's on downtrend, right? We are not going to be buying, we want to sell. So now let's draw. We have so many touches here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we have so many rejection zones that we can draw our, you know, trend line from, right? So let me make it two, just that we have a perfect channel. Yes, we have a perfect channel, guys. Yes. So we have a perfect channel. You see, touched this so many times, and then it broke out. So now, the next thing we should be looking for is the market broke out from here. Yeah. Is there any support or resistance here that got broken recently with this candle? Yes, there is. You see all these areas where there's rejection, there's a candle there, there's a support here because the market has been rejecting all these areas. So that means the market rejected the area and then continued to go down. All right. So what we are seeing here right now is a rejection candle. Yes. Guys, let's go to the 1 hour time frame to see this better. You see, you see how the market has been respecting this, you know, support. Okay, so let's take it from here. Let's do it this way. You see how it has been respecting this support zone. See how it's been respecting the support. Yes. So guys, that is it. Okay. So what I want to see now is I want this market to come all the way. Okay, I can actually do this since I've already seen all of these areas. I see that it aligns well. I don't want a rough chart. Okay, this is personal. You don't need to do this, guys. Okay, I just don't like seeing a rough chart. I don't like seeing rough charts. I love my chart clean. Okay, so this is better. Yeah, but since the market is still moving, I want to draw it out. Okay, so I want to see this market come all the way to this area and then continue to go down because the overall trend here is a downtrend. So I want to see something like this and then the market continuing to go down. So this is the opportunity I'm waiting for right now, currently. And trust me, guys, this is going to happen. Okay, the market is going to go. It's going to come here because it already broke out of this support area, turning this to a resistance. So when this come back into this resistance now, the market is just going to sell to the downside, right? So you see how easy it is for me to make my analysis. See how easy it is for me to make analysis. Okay. So this is price action analysis, right? Price action analysis. The action the price has made previously. Okay. So I'm using everything that has happened before in the market to predict what is going to happen in the future. So guys, this is how to do it. This is how to do it properly. Okay, it's very easy, it's very simple, and it's very straightforward. But the only thing that you need here is you need lot of patience, right? You need patience. So, like right now, we have this, and then we want the market to get to this area before we start selling. All right, don't be a lazy trader. Don't be the kind of trader that will just place a sell limit here. As a beginner, I'm not expecting you to place a sell limit here. Okay, so when you get better at this, you can actually set sell limit and then taking risk the way you want it. But as for now, always make sure you are waiting for the market. Okay, this might not start playing out today, but it will definitely work out maybe tomorrow. All right. So you can just come back to check it maybe tomorrow because this is the 1 hour time frame and it's going to take more than 2 3 hours before the market gets to this area. That is if it's going to come here at all. Okay, so it could take up to 3 4 hours even maybe before it gets to this area. Um, you can keep an eye out for this. Maybe tomorrow morning, just come and check it. If the market is around this area, then you sell. It's just as easy as that. Okay. So I pray we see a setup that we can actually take a trade on them with. So let's do another one, guys. Let's do another one. Today is for analysis. I told you guys. Today is for analysis. Evening session analysis. So let's do for AUDJPY, right? Let's do for AUDJPY. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Or should we take it from the daily time frame? Okay, let's do the daily first. Let's see what is happening on the daily time frame. So what is currently happening on the daily time frame? We have different type of move on the daily, but we're not going to you know focus on just the daily. So I think this data is enough for us to tell where the market is going to go next. Okay, this is enough for us. This is all of this is enough. So this market has been making a move to the downside. When it got here, the market started making a move to the upside, and then it got rejected here again. So that means the market is going to continue to move to the downside for now. So this is what is currently happening. Yes. So we have this. The market has, traded from this resistance area. Okay, let me complete the resistance there. So the market has moved from this resistance area, okay, coming down. So now let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see all of this better, right? Let's zoom in. Okay, so this is good. This is good. Okay, all right. So now the market has been trading upside to the upside since after this year. So let's see if we can get something to connect all of this together and see if it works out, right? Yeah. So it gets connected. It broke out, made a retest. So I believe the market will continue to go down now, right? And then the next thing you want to look out for is let's zoom out and see this better. Do we have um, a support or resistance? Yes, we do. We have this rejection and it aligns with this, right? So let's do something like this. Let's do something like this and see what happened there. See what happened. Guys, what happened? You see, this market, when it gets to this area, it will try to go up. You see, okay, it went up, came back, broke it. Now it's retested and the market is about to go down. Guys, let's place the trade on our demo. Okay, let's place this trade on our demo account. Telling you, let's place this trade on our demo account. So we are going to set it this way. Our stop loss is going to be just above. Our take profit is here. You see, this is the best way to learn, yeah? This is how to learn. If you are really serious about forex trading, do not miss this class. It's very important, right? So guys, let's go to our BTC Dana trading application and then place a demo trade. Okay, let's go to our app and place a demo trade. Let's go into our app and place a demo trade. So AUDJPY. If you don't know how to do that, don't worry. Let me share my screen. Then just follow everything I do. All right. Let me share my BTC Dana trading application screen. So this is my screen. Go to home. Let's go to home, right? Let me take you guys home. Yes. So guys, please make sure you are on your demo. Okay? If you don't know how to create demo, come here. You see this demo, click on this demo. Okay? Click on demo. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Right? Yes. So this is my own demo. If you don't have a demo, you get a pop-out message where it will ask you to activate your demo. Just click on activate here, and then you have your demo. So make sure you are on demo. Okay, do not use your real account for this. So we just want to take a trade for learning purpose. Okay, let's just see how it's gonna go, right? So if you are on your real account, come to switch here, click on it, okay, and then you see real account, demo account. Click on demo account and then confirm. Okay, do not use your real account, use your demo account. Okay. Okay, so now that we are on demo, let's go back to home. Okay, let's go back to home and then let's click on market. Click on market. Just a moment, guys, please. Okay, guys, sorry about that. Let's continue. Okay, let's continue. So, let's place the trade on our demo, as I've said. All right. So now, um, let's search for AUDJPY. AUDJPY. Okay, and then click on the AUDJPY. So you see, I'm on demo. Yeah. So let's click on sell because our 4 hour time frame here is telling us the market is going to sell. All right. So let's click on sell. Let's click on sell. Let's sell. Right. So I'm going to use the smallest, which is the 0.01. Right. And guys, I will advise you anytime you are placing a trade on your demo, make sure you are using whatever you are going to be using on real life, okay, on your real account. So if you want to be using, if you have a small account of $50 upward is a small account. Okay, trust me. So whenever you want to open a trade, because practice makes perfect. All right. So if you are using 0.01, you are going to get used to 0.01. Okay. If you are using 0.10, you are going to get used to 0.10. And if you get used to 0.10 when you have just $15 account, see, no, honestly, that's a suicide. Okay. That's suicide. You don't want to do that. So let's set sorry, we didn't set take profit and stop loss, yeah, on our first trade. But we can set that later, okay? I'm even happy we didn't set that. So let's just set this. Let's set this together and then we can set it on the other one. All right. So you see, I opened a position, I clicked on sell, it brought this out. Okay. Now I'm using 0.01. You see this place where it says, sorry, you see this area where it says SL/TP. So we are going to be setting our stop loss and take profit. Okay, that's what it means. So click on this button right beside it. Okay, or is it right in front of it? So click on that button and then it's going to expand this to the upside. So yeah, it has expanded that. Now let's enter for our SL first. Okay, that is stop loss. That is where you want to stop a potential loss. Okay, so if you are losing in the trade, if you are losing the trade, the price you want the market to get to, and then take you out of the market. So let's set. So click on this plus icon, or just click in the center where it says enter the point. Just click on this center, and then you can edit the numbers. Okay. So the stop loss, I've written it down. The stop loss is 94.913. Okay, 94.913. So now for our take profit, that is our potential profit limit. Okay, where we want the profit to get to, and then give us our balance. All right. So let's set for take profit also. Let's set for take profit. Let's clear that. So take profit is 93.401. 93.401. Then place sell. Okay, now that you've set your SL and take profit, click on sell. Okay, so I've clicked on mine. I don't know why this is not responding, but I've just clicked on it. Okay, not confirm. It's a check order. Okay, so this is my network's doing. Okay, the other status is not confirmed. Please go to the position page to view. This is my network doing this. So click on check now, and you see the trades has been placed. Okay, the positions has been placed. Okay, so the first one we didn't set um, take profit and stop loss. Yeah, so let's see how we can set. Just click on the trade. Okay, this is the one we set take profit and stop loss for. Okay, the other one we didn't set. So just click anywhere around this second position. Click anywhere around it. Okay, I'm going to click here. So you see, I clicked it and it brought out this option for me. So here I can enter. See, it says take profit slash stop loss. Okay, and then I have this pencil icon right in front of it. Okay, so I'm just going to click the pencil icon for me to be able to edit my stop loss and take profit. Okay, so click on this icon, click on this pencil icon, right? So you see, now I can enter the same thing that I enter on the other one, right? But here take profit is first. Okay, and guys, this is another option for you. You see, you can set this automatically. You can say, okay, if the trade my set take profit, I want to make a profit of $5. Okay, so when it gets to $5, give me my profit. Okay, so come on, why is this thing doing this? Okay, so let's go back to our position, and then the first one, sorry, the second one. Okay, so we can set this automatically, as I've said earlier. We can set, okay, I want my take profit to be on $5. Okay, then if I'm going to lose, I don't want to lose more than 1.7, right? And then I confirm. You see, this process is far easier. All right, this is like tea and bread, very easy. And my orders are running. Okay, they are currently running. So guys, that is how it is. Okay, so now let's go back to our main screen and then continue analyzing the market to see if we can get a real entry to open a real position. All right, so now this is AUDJPY. Yeah, so let's make another analysis. So let's clear everything here. This is the 4-hour time frame. Okay, okay, this is better. I can see this clearer. I don't need to go to the daily time frame. So the market, from here, the market has been coming down. So let's mark this area out. Okay, we have change in market direction from this area. Okay, so now the market is heading to the downside. Let's see if we can get points. So this is a resistance area 1. This is another resistance area 2. This is another resistance area 3. So let's try connecting these resistance areas together to see if our trend line is going to align. And yes, it didn't align well, but it aligned with the current market. Okay, even though my trend line is not touching 3 trade, I don't care. Okay, as far as it's touching 2, I'm okay with that. Okay, I can even do this since this is a far, this is too far, or it's the market is a far previous market. I want a more recent one. Okay, so I love this. See, this is the recent one. This is the 4-hour time frame. So this is enough for me to actually tell the direction of my market, and then I have this also. Okay, so I have this also. So I have this. Okay, I have this. You see how it aligns with this, giving me a channel. Okay, you see, it gives us a channel to the downside. So what this means right now is that this market is going to continue to go down to this level. Okay, so let's go to the 1 hour time frame to get a better view of what is going on here. So this is quite good. All right. Okay. So now that we have this, let's do another thing. We have all of these rejection areas. Okay. This seems like a zone where the market has rejected from. So we have a resistance around this area, and the market is currently trading, okay, trading to this area right now because you see it's facing up. So we can actually leave this market to come to this area and then we continue to sell. Okay. But if it breaks out of this, then it has this to face again. All right. So if this market is going to continue to the upside, that means it's going to break this, it's going to break this before it actually goes up. Okay. So this could happen. These are the two scenarios that can happen. The market can come all the way to this area and then go down. Okay. And then this is how you are going to sell, right? When this market gets to this area, we are going to sell. Okay. When it gets to this area, you sell. Or if it doesn't happen that way, and then the market just broke out like this, it's going to come here, retest this, break this. Okay. So this could happen also, right? So these are the two scenarios that is going to happen. These are the two scenarios that is going to happen. Or this can just continue to come down. Okay. Or this can just continue to come down, right? We just do this and then it will just continue to go down, right? So, but whatever happen, decisions will be made from that, right? So, guys, you see how easy it is to make analysis in the forex market. Analysis is the easiest. Okay, making analysis is super easy. The harder part is, getting that perfect entry. Okay, so even with all of this analysis, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. The success rate is not 100%. Okay, so as a forex trader, okay, for you to become a forex trader, you need to think like a businessman. Okay, forex trading is also like a business, but first you need to get used to it. Okay, if you don't know what you are doing, you are going to lose your money. Even though you have 100 million, you are going to lose everything. I'm telling you. You need to know how to trade first before you can become a forex trader. Okay, that is why I try to make this as lively as possible. And that is why I have a premium channel where I give signals every day. Okay, it's for the newbies, most especially for you that is here right now. So if you are here and you are not yet making money, you are right now, you are a newbie, you are here to learn. Okay, there's no way I'm expecting you to start making money right now when you are just learning how to trade the forex market. If you fund your account and you start trading yourself now, you are going to blow the account. All right, you are going to blow the account. So that is why I have a premium group where I give signals every day. Okay, so on the premium group, when you are part of my premium group, you get signals and then you make money with the signal. It's just as easy as that. Okay, and all you have to do to join the premium group is fund your account with at least $10 or $15. Now let me explain the $10 or $15. If you fund your account with $10, I'm going to add you to my group for just 2 weeks. Okay, but if you are able to fund your account with $15, then I'll add you to the group for 1 month. That is just it. All right. So guys, um, let's do something reasonable. Okay. If you want to do that right now, just go to the chat room. There's a banner on top of the chat room, a banner where deposit with benefit is written on. So click on that banner and then it will take you to where you can fund your account. Guys, please listen to me carefully. The funding needs to be done on this live session, on this live stream. So if you don't fund your account on this live stream, please don't come and be chatting me later that you funded your account and that they add you to the group. Oh, all right. You have to fund on this live stream. That is the only place where it is counted. That is the only place where I'm going to count your deposit. Okay, please. All right. So let's continue, guys. uh okay. Yes, don't mind me doing this. Okay, I have my own strategy. If you want to learn my strategy, go and fund the account with $200. Come and learn how to trade the forex market using SMC. Okay, I'm not saying you can make money with this strategy that I've just showed you, but SMC is crazy, guys. SMC is better. SMC makes trading easier. All right, it's a professional way of analyzing the market better. So if you want to learn that, go and fund your account with $200, and then I'll teach you how you can analyze the market using SMC strategy. Guys, the SMC strategy is crazy. Trust me, it's fucking crazy. So let's not use the F word. Okay? So you see, the market will come into this gap and then it aligns with my trend line to come into this gap, do something like this, come down, go back inside, break it, do this, and then it will continue to go down. This is my price prediction, guys. This is my SMC price prediction. Okay, so that is it. That is it. And then I'm just going to sell from this area when the market gets here. All right. And my take profit is going to be just around here. Okay, targeting this or this. Okay, let's do this. And so this is good. This is good. Okay, so let's continue with our session and see how this goes later. Yeah, and give this to my premium members. Give them a sell limit. Right, I'm gonna give this to my premium members. Guys, if you want to get this, go and fund your account now. Go and fund your account with, even if it is just $10. Go and fund it. At least you'll be on the group for 2 weeks. Okay. But if you're able to fund $15, you'll be there for a month. You get premium signals for a month. The $15 is better. Okay. So let's make AUD That's good. Let's make another analysis. AUD So let's do another analysis. Wow, this is a beautiful trade I took this afternoon, and it's about to hit my take profit. Wow, this is beautiful. This is crazy, guys. You see, this is the SMC strategy doing this. This is crazy. Honestly, this is crazy, guys. So, let's analyze CADCHF. Let's analyze CADCHF. So the 4-hour time frame is showing a down trend. Okay, because we have this structure here, we have this high, we have this low, and it got broken. Okay, and I told you anytime it gets broken, that means the market has changed direction. So now the market is coming down, and what we should be looking for is a downtrend. Okay, what we should be looking for is a downtrend opportunity. We are going to be looking for is a what? A downtrend opportunity. So now you see we have this rejection area. The market came all the way down, give us the rejected, came down, give us this as another rejection. Okay, though okay, I think we have something aligning here. We have a resistance that would align here. Okay, but the market is currently here. So let's see if our trend line is going to, align with the current market. Yes, I love this. I love this. This is the 1 hour time frame. Yes, 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 yes. So let's see if we can get a channel. Okay. Yes, we got a channel here. This second trend line is not necessary, guys. Okay, it's not necessary. But let's just do this for channel sake. Okay. Or we could even do it this way since it aligns with this. Okay. I think it aligns with this well. Or let's just leave it this way. Okay, it's just a camouflage anyway. So we have this here. Yes, this is good. This is good. Got broken out this area, resistance, support, and the support got broken, isn't it? Yes. So my guess now is this market will come back to retest where it got broken. Okay. Mostly the market will go back to retest where it has broken. Where there's a breakout, the market will always go back there to make a fresh retest. So my best guess is this market will come back to this area, okay, to this area, maybe this or this. But this is a trade to watch out for, okay. The market will come back to this area that it just got broken. It's going to make a retest there before it continues to go down. All right. So that is analysis for CAD, CHF. All right. But right now, there's no opportunity for us here because the market is in the middle of our channel. So we want to see the market either here or here. Okay. We want to see the market here for us to sell. All right. Then we also have, this aligning with the market. Yes. So it aligns well with what is going to happen when the market gets to this area. So this is also a trade to look out for. I think this is good. This is good. Yes. Okay. Yes. So this is a good trade also. All right. This is a very good trade. It aligns well, yeah? It aligns good. So let's continue. You see, this is a trade. Um, I think we took this trade in our afternoon session, yeah? Was it this trade? Okay. Oh, sorry. It wasn't this, yeah? So Euro CAD here. Now let's make a fresh analysis on Euro USD before you know, we call it a day. So Euro USD, Euro CAD is on downtrend since this area, since this happened. The market has been going to the downside. Okay, so we have, guys, don't pay attention to this. Okay, what I want you to pay attention to is my trend line. SMC strategy has become part of me that whenever I'm making any analysis, I just love to label them. So now let's draw our trend line. Okay, we have this, um, you know, descending candles. So let's see if it aligns well with what is happening down below. Okay, so we have a breakout. We have a breakout there, and we have, a structure where the market has previously broken out from. Yes, we do. So this can actually be a channel. Okay, we can also do it this way. All right. So we have all of this move. We have this. The market is currently here, and we have, a market that has broken out of from this area, creating this high, these long candles. So let's see if that aligns well. Yes, it does. It does align. Okay. So my guess is this market is going to come all the way to this area and then make a retest to this area. Okay, make a retest back into this gap, into this trend line. Right. It's going to make a retest back into this trend line before it continues its up movement. Okay, that is if the market is going to continue to go up. So this is the 4 hour time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to 1 hour time frame and see if that would actually work out. Yes, I think this will work out. I honestly think this will work out. All right. Okay. So guys, this one that you guys are not asking any question. Um, I hope you guys are getting everything we are doing here. All right. So, guys, this is it. This is it. This is how to make your analysis and take your trade very easily. All right. This is how to make your analysis and take your trades easily. So if there's any part you don't understand, you can always ask your question. All right. But if you have no question, um, we are good. Yeah. All right. So these are previous trades that I've taken earlier, and you see how they played out massively. Yeah. Let's go to the okay. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. So the 4 hour time frame is saying the market is on downtrend. Yeah. Let's see if this aligns with what is currently happening. Okay. Okay. Let's do it this way. Since we are still on the downtrend. Yeah. Yes. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour, we have something like this. One, two. Yes. Oh no, let's do it from the lowest. Let's do it from the lowest to what is currently happening. You see, this is also a very good entry, guys. You see, we have this breakout, and the market seems to be retesting right now. It's going to retest here, and then it will continue to go down. All right. So this is also a very good entry. Okay. So guys, we're going to stop here for today, and by God's grace, we are going to continue tomorrow. Okay. So if you have any question, I guess tomorrow you can just go over everything that we've talked about. Jot out your questions, your worries, whatever it is that you have in mind. Just jot it out. Then tomorrow you can ask me, and I'll gladly answer everything. Okay. So I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Have a blessed day.